Take the proverb, Limporan labojalwa, halefofele kgakala. A small bird of alcohol does not fly far. When that proverb was first spoken, alcohol was nowhere as available as it is today. There were no liquor stores on every corner, no advertisements encouraging constant consumption, no social media normalizing intoxication. Yet, they noticed something. Alcohol limits human growth. Not every drinker, not every occasion, but over many generations, they observed the pattern. Today, we have medical research explaining how alcohol affects the brain, the liver, and the body. Science explains the mechanism. The proverb had already noticed the pattern.